Right, so for this example, let's consider the case where we have 200 people. Our mean is 50, and our standard deviation is going to be, our standard deviation is 4. So, in this case, standard deviation is equal to 4. We might have some kind of clothing size, right? So we have some kind of clothing size. We want to hit as many people as possible. We want to know, will this make the case? So 41 to 59. So 41 to 59, let's first figure out how many standard deviations these are away from our mean. So to do that, we'll start by doing 50. So let's do it the other way around. So just for a refresher, if you want to figure out how many standard deviations something is from the mean, you first want to take, we'll represent this, so your number, which we'll call x, minus your mean over your standard deviation. This is also commonly referred to as a z-score. But so in this case, that is 41 minus 50 over 4, which will give you negative 2.25. Similarly, for the other one, we'll have 59, not a 9, minus 50 over 4, which is positive 2.25. So in this case, our k is equal to 2.25. So how much of our data exists between that number? Well, we can still use the same formula. So 1 minus 1 over 2.25 squared. This is a case where I fully support you using a calculator, because this number isn't a particularly easy one, especially not one that I expect you to do in your head. So it comes 1 minus 1 over 5.0625, which is what exactly? So we can do that real quick. And the approximate answer is 1 minus 0.197, or 0.803. So 0.803. Now we want to know how many people does that exist within our data set. So we multiply this 0.803 times 200 and we get 160.3, or excuse me, 0.6. So one of the things that it's important to know in statistics, and probably in real life, is you can't divide a person, nor can you round them down. It's not generally advisable, so we always round up. So we will say that 161 people will fit into this interval.